Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing some hacks to protect your skin and hair and allow you to have carefree Holi. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. Starting off with the tip number 1, that is to apply oil. Applying oil to the exposed parts of our body, that is the arms, legs, face and neck, will prevent the color to enter into the pores and will ultimately protect our skin from the damage. Tip number 2 is to apply sunscreen. Top up some sunscreen on the layer of the oil. It will ultimately protect your skin from the heat, and this double layer of the product will not allow the color to stick on your skin. Tip number 3 is to apply a few coats of your nail paint. If you have long nails, then trim them up or go in with the few coats of nail paint and then top it off with a transparent nail paint, and this will protect your nails from staining. Tip number 4 is to apply Vaseline on the cuticles. Apply Vaseline on the cuticles and also inside the nails. This will protect the color from seeping into your skin. Tip number 5 is to braid your hair. Don't let your hair open while playing Holi. Either braid your hair or wear a bandana to prevent excess color from getting deposited on your scalp and damage your beautiful hair. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel.